In this session, we'll be showing how to create a new room, how to move devices from one room to another room if you've paired them in a specific room and you made a mistake and wanted to move them to another room. We'll also see how to rename a device and how to delete a device. So we'll start out with creating a new room. We would call it Office Space 3 as an example. We'll add the room created successfully. I do not want to upload an image. I'm just going to click skip. Now we have Office Space 3. So we go into Office Space 2 where our devices are added. We can see we have a sensor and a smart cell. To begin with, we can also change the room name. If we want to change 2 to 2.1, for example, and we click done, now room is updated successfully and the room name is changed. If we want to change the device name, we go into the device, we click settings, we click name, and we do our changes, and we click back. And do you want to save changes? Okay. Device name successfully changed. Just click back. You can see that it's OS 1.1 now. To change the room of this sensor, we go into the specific sensor, settings, click change room. We choose the room we want it in, Office Space 3, and we create a new desk for it to be on. So desk 4, update.